Hello everyone, Aaron here from Prof. Pinoy Pixel. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a 3D model of coffee mug here in Autodesk Tinkercad. So first thing that we need to do is we will place a cylinder in our work plane. And if you want to resize it, just hold shift and then release or drag the control points. It's like this. And if you want to adjust the sides to make it smooth, we have here a attribute editors or properties. You can actually slide this to make it smooth. Okay, once done, we need to place again a cylinder, and then we will resize a little bit more smaller than the cylinder that we placed earlier, just like this. And we need to also adjust the sides to make it smooth. Okay, and now instead of solid mode, we will turn this into hole, just like this. Just click this hole and then place it nearby the cylinder that we placed earlier. So it should be like this. So the reason why we need to change it into hole, we need to drill the body of our coffee mug. So that's why we need to change it into hole. But if we want to center it, okay, what we need to do, highlight these objects, and then we will find the align, or we have corresponding shortcut for that, which is L. Just click, and then we have points. Just click the center part, just like this, to make it accurately centered. Okay, so once you're done with this, next thing that we need to do, of course, we need to have a holder or handle of our coffee mug. So we will use the torus here. You can resize based on your preference. Okay, so resize, rotate into 90-degree. You can shrink. You can place nearby in your body of your coffee mug, just like this. Okay, so we need to change the color. So let's see. Here in Autodesk Tinkercad, we can actually set different colors based on your preference. So you need to explore the different presets here. So for example, I want this color. Now, if we want to accurately center it, so same procedure that we discussed earlier. So highlight all of this object, and then click the align, or use the corresponding shortcut, which is L, and then click the center control, just like this, and you see it is properly aligned. Now highlight again all of this object, and Control G. Okay, so in this case, we now have a simple 3D model of coffee mug using Autodesk Tinkercad. Thank you for watching. Aaron here from Prof. Pixel.